Starting a startup is exciting, but let's be honest, it's risky. What if I told you there is the way to reduce that risk and save money at the same time? Have you heard of Product Requirement Document or PRD? If not, stick around. If yes, I promise you'll still find tips that could save your startup. Hi, I am Sofia, Product Manager at molfar, and in this video we'll cover why every successful startup swears by PRD, how it saves your time, money, and countless headaches, and step by step how you can create one that gets your team working like a dream. Product requirement document describes the product your company is going to build. It outlines what your product is, why it's needed, and how it will work. Think of it as a roadmap that guides your product teams through every phase of development, from initial idea to launch. Well, writing PRD will save you time and money in the future. Why? Because the more blind spots you have in your product vision, the riskier your startup will be. Facing problem points in the very beginning costs you nothing, but facing such points after weeks or months of development can cause a lot of problem or even the crash of your company. The PRD helps your team understand the product purpose, feature, functionality, and behavior. It's a comprehensive document that ensures everyone, developers, designers, and testers, has necessary information to build and test the product effectively. But here is the key point. Don't confuse PRD with a technical specification. A PRD focuses on high-level goals, features, and user needs, while a technical specification provides execution-level details of how the requirements are actually going to be implemented. Put it simply, the PRD is about what we are building, and technical specification is about how you are building it. The next question is, what's an effective workflow for writing a killer PRD? Here is the simple step-by-step guide. Do your research. I think it's not surprising that everything you do should start from a research. Start by understanding your market, customers, and competitors. It's crucial to building a product your user will actually need. Define the product's purpose. What problem does the product solve? Be clear on this. Your product value proposition should be straightforward and easy to communicate to anyone, from team members to company executives, from customer to sales forces. Create user profiles, goals, and tasks. Start by understanding your user. Who are they and what do they want from your product? Identify their goals and the tasks they need to complete. This helps you to build a product that's easy to use and truly valuable. Set product principles. What are the guiding values of your product? What principles will help your team stay aligned and focused? For example, a base mantra is easy to use, safe, and fun. And for Apple, it could be simplicity, creativity, and humanity. Defining these guiding values early ensures everyone on the team working towards on the same vision. Identify and question your assumptions. It's easy to think we know the answers, but assumption can really limit your potential. Take Blockbuster, for example. They believe physical stores were the future of movie rentals, but Netflix questioned the assumption and disrupted the full industry with streaming. Or look at astronomy. For centuries, it was assumed the sun and planet revolved around the Earth. That assumption limited progress until Copernicus challenged it, leading to the helicopter model and breakthrough in our understanding of the universe. In your startup, it's crucial to question your assumptions when creating a PRD. Don't let outdated thinking prevent the innovation. Look at the problem from all angles, challenge what you think you know, and stay open to new solutions. This will help you to build a product that actually solves real problems. Write it down. Where should the PRD live? Honestly, it doesn't matter much. If it's a Google Doc, a wiki, or even a whiteboard, what does matter is accessibility and adaptivity. Your PRD is more than file, it's a backbone of your product team's collaboration. Keep it easy to find, simple to update, and always within reach. Prioritize. Beyond clear requirements, it's important to prioritize and rank over every one of your requirements. Break your requirements into 3 categories. Must-have. They are non-negotiable. If even one of these is missing, your product doesn't ship. These features directly connect to your core values. High want. Important and desirable, but not deal breakers. If they are ready, great. If not, don't hold up the launch. Nice to have. Feature potential. Good to plan for, but not essential for your product's current version. Test completeness. If your PRD draft ready, now it's time for the ultimate test, completeness. Ask yourself, can your engineers understand the target well enough to build a product? Can your QA team design a test plan and start writing test cases? Once your stakeholders review the PRD, highlight gaps, and you address these gaps, congratulations, you have got a PRD ready to guide your product for success. Remember, a complete PRD is not just a document, it's your blueprint for building a great product. Managing the product. During the product implementation, there will be countless questions in the fire, even with the best of PRDs. Resolve all questions about requirements by pointing people to the PRD. If it's not in PRD, put in the PRD. Your job is quickly resolve all questions and issues and record this decision in the PRD. Remember that the product requirement document is a living document, and you should track all features in the PRD through product launch. Let's dive into a real-world example to see how PRD works in action with one of the most popular platforms out there, Product Hunt. What was their goal? Simple but ambitious. They wanted to create a community-driven platform for discovering cool products. They identified three core groups: product enthusiasts who love to explore the latest tech, seed stage investors scouting for new big things, and everyday customers who enjoy discovering new products and gadgets. Features. Here's what to prioritize in a PRD. Posts to allow users to submit new products along with key details. Comments, a space for discussions, and votes, a simple way to highlight what's popular and trending. And how did they play to launch? Their go-to-market plan focused on engaged influencers, gathering early feedback, and leveraging their existing platforms. By tail end of this, they had a roadmap that keeps everyone aligned and focused. There are some tech details, and also Product Hunt's PRD includes mockup that made everything super clear for their team. First, there was the index view, basically the home page. It showed a chronological list of all product posts, simple and very user-friendly. Then there was the detail view, individual product pages with all the information user needed, plus spaces for comments and interactions. By nailing their PRD, Product Hunt didn't just build a product, they set the stage for their massive success. So let's recap why your startup needs a PRD. Remember, it's not just a document, it's your team North Star guiding every step of a product development journey. From research and assumption to user profiles and priorities, a PRD ensures you are building the right product for the right audience. It saves time, money, and countless headache by resolving issues before they become problems. And most importantly, it keeps your team aligned, informed, and ready to tackle whatever comes next. A well-written PRD doesn't just define your product, it defines your path to success. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe and like button. Check the link below and follow us on social media for more tips and updates. And if you're ready to take your startup to the next level, visit molfar. We will help you to build fast and smart. Catch you next time.